This is Helpdesk AI Onboarding, a complete support desk that sets itself up in minutes. The problem is configuring a support desk used to take weeks, and customers waited while nothing got answered. Now setup takes seconds, no IT team, no config, just an email and the account is ready. A single website link is all Helpdesk AI needs to begin. In moments, it reads the entire site. Seconds later, the full profile appears, services, customers, regions, every detail ready to refine. Then it handles the whole technical setup on its own, configuring everything in the background. And the support desk is up and running, fully built and open for business. With setup complete, the agent answers calls, replies in chat, and clears tickets, without a break. Across voice, chat, and email, the agent responds to every message. One web link becomes a complete support desk, free to try.